ChatGPT just released a very interesting update. It's called ChatGPT Pulse. I have it actually on my phone right now, so I could show you a quick demo. Let me show you exactly what it is first. So I'll put a link in the description if you want to read more about it, but I'll give you the cliff notes and then we'll go ahead and test it out here on my account. ChatGPT Pulse is basically letting ChatGPT start the conversation instead of you starting the conversation. So this might completely change how we use AI. And the way it works is once per day, you'll see something in your ChatGPT account. This is available in the mobile app right now. This is not part of their desktop app. You'll see something that looks like this, where it basically looks through your previous conversations from the day before, looks through all the memories, all the chats, and then it tells you what's going on today. So it's called Today's Pulse. So if you had a conversation about a trip to London in this case, it's going to show you that and a few other things you have going on. And right here, this is how they summarized it. Each night, it synthesizes information from your memory, chat history, direct feedback to learn what's most relevant to you, then delivers personalized focus updates the next day. Okay, this could look like follow-ups on a topic that you discussed the day before, ideas for a quick, healthy dinner, for example. So it's giving you some examples of what it could be used for. It also says you can connect Gmail and Google Calendar to provide additional context for more relevant suggestions. So when Google Calendar is connected, which by the way, by default, both Google Calendar and Gmail are not connected. I know there's privacy issues and a lot of people are not gonna wanna connect those, and Pulse will still work based on your previous conversations. ChatGPT will draft a sample meeting agenda, remind you to buy a birthday gift from your calendar. So that is interesting if you are willing to share that information with ChatGPT. I've shared a ton of different information in my Pro account already. Now, it also says you could actually tell ChatGPT what to research for you each day. So it will do this work in the background and then each morning will deliver you a new pulse based on what you told it to research. And down here, it says each update is available for that day only unless you save it as a chat or ask a follow-up question, which adds it to your conversation history. And the plan is release this in the Pro plan, which is the $200 plan, only available on mobile, and then see how it goes, and then release it to the Plus users and eventually release it to everyone. So right now, I have the $200 a month Pro plan, so I did get access. So let me show you quickly how this works. When you launch the ChatGPT app, once a day, you're gonna see this in the center of your screen. It says Today's Pulse. So the conversation I was having in my Pro account were related to YouTube end screens, micro certification on an AI course I was working on, and the Pulse launch, which is the video I was working on right now. So if I click on it right here, this is what it looks like. This is what the Pulse looks like. So it creates a whole new experience for you that is not at all what you're used to inside of ChatGPT, but I think it's well organized. So it's telling me if I tell it what to focus on, that's the information it's gonna pull up the next day. Let me go to the next page. Okay, so on the very top, you can see it gives the date and it's giving me a little summary, and these are the different things I've worked on. And I actually use my Teams account pretty much every day, not my Pro account. So I wish it was available in the Teams account, hopefully soon. Now, based on my chat history on this account, this is the information I pulled up. On the bottom, I could ask it to pull in other information or focus on one relevant piece of information. So I'm gonna ask it to just focus on the AI certification course. And then it says, I'll use this feedback to shape what you see tomorrow. So each day, I'm gonna see a different ChatGPT Pulse, but I could actually tailor it a little bit here with a follow-up chat. Now, it looks like on the left panel too, I have a new option under library called Pulse. So I could jump into it, and that's what I just showed you here. And I could still curate this a little bit differently if I want to and change what it's gonna show me tomorrow. So I could jump back into it from this page and I could just go back to a regular ChatGPT 5 on this page here. Now, I think this is gonna really change how you use ChatGPT because for the very first time, ChatGPT can now start the conversation instead of you starting the conversation. And if you're willing to share your personal data from Gmail and Calendar, it's gonna get even more useful. So we'll see where this goes. I'm gonna do a deep dive video once it gets rolled out to the Plus account so more people have access. Right now, it's gonna be very limited just to Pro users, and I'll come up with more use cases. So I'll do a use case video when that gets released. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.